Hey guys and girls. So today I'm going to show you a little trick, just putting my new stairs together that I've done. So as you can see, I've routed out where the actual treads will set in. But what I'm trying to do right now is make sure that I drill some pilot holes for the screws. I'm going to use glue as well, but I want these screw holes to be fairly accurate. So what I've done is I've made a little jig like this, and I've actually put this through the drill press so that these holes will help guide the actual drill bit through the wood nice and straight and true. Very simple. This is repeatable. So as long as you get it right the first time, it's going to work every time. So I'll just show you kind of how it works. So I just line it up, I square it up in that actual hole. Just like that. So this is repeatable for every tread that I'm doing. I'm doing 9 on each, so this is nice and quick and simple. It literally took me, a couple minutes to make. You could keep it if you want to. If you're worried about blowout on the other side, you can actually add another piece of wood underneath as you're drilling. That way it'll keep it from spalling out on the backside. So just a little tip that I like to do when it comes to drilling and repeating drilling. If you found this interesting or helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Comment if you want. Thanks, guys. Until next time.